In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Roblox player is not responding on your Windows 11 computer. So there's actually a few different ways to fix this. The first method is just by heading over to the Roblox player on your desktop, and we need to right click on this, click on Properties, and then from here select Compatibility. Make sure run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Make sure you have Windows 8 selected, and then press Disable Full Screen Optimizations and press Apply and OK. Then what you're going to do is right click on the Roblox player and select Run as Administrator, and then you can try launching up Roblox to check if that's fixed the issue. Now if that's not working or you're using the Microsoft Store version of Roblox, then what we can do is click on the Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side select Apps and click on Installed Apps. Using the search box, type in Roblox, and if you have the Microsoft Store version of Roblox, which is this one with the blue icon, then we can click on these three horizontal dots and press Advanced Options. Then we're going to scroll down to the Reset section, and we're going to start by clicking on the Repair button. Once you've done that, click on Reset, and then confirm by pressing Reset. Now, once again, you could try it launching up the app to check if that's now fixed your issue. If it's still not working, another solution is to head back over to your Settings menu. Click on System from the left-hand side, select Display, scroll down and click on Graphics. And then from this list of applications, you need to locate the Roblox player. Once you've found Roblox, just click on it like so. Select Options and make sure you have High Performance Mode selected like this and press Save. If you can't see Roblox in this list, then you'll just need to scroll up to the top and press Browse, and you'll need to locate the Roblox player from your files. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the last solution is to use an alternate version of Roblox player. So for example, if you currently have the Microsoft Store version of Roblox installed, then you can always head over to the official Roblox website, which is roblox.com/download, and you can try downloading and playing the web version of the game. If you already have the web version installed, then what you can do is head over to your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, and using the search box, just type in Roblox, and then from here we can try installing the Microsoft version of Roblox and checking to see if it works from here. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.